On this date in Missouri Senate history, the date was May 17, 1929, 100th day of the regular session of the 55th General Assembly. This was a Friday, the second to last week of the session. The morning started with a resolution asking people to observe a proclamation made by the governor to exercise care and caution during what he termed the Save a Life period, the month of June, to reduce the number of accidents on our state's roads. After lengthy discussion on a number of bills, senators moved to recess until 2 p.m. The first order of afternoon business was to make House Bill 146 a special order of business the next morning. The remainder of the afternoon was spent on House and Senate bills, with the number of days left in session drawing smaller. Senators then adjourned until 10 the next morning. May 17, 1929, the date marking the 100th day of the regular session of the 55th General Assembly, on this date in Missouri Senate history.